Hi everyone, and welcome to this video. With the recent release of Spider-Man No Way Home, I really wanted to work on this, and this is one of the largest and most difficult drawings I've ever attempted. I definitely pushed myself outside my art comfort zone with this one, especially towards the end, and I'm really glad I did because I ended up learning some new techniques. I gained a bit more confidence with coloured pencils, and I used them while working on the background during the later stages of this drawing. And I'm so happy with this project, and I really hope you enjoy this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this time-lapse. Working on this was such a positive experience, and it's always a good time when you're drawing Spider-Man. So be sure to let me know what you think, and feel free to let me know if you have any suggestions for future art videos I should work on. Your feedback is extremely helpful. If you're interested in seeing more art videos, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and any likes or shares on this video are hugely appreciated. If you want to follow and support my art progress, then be sure to check out the links in the description for my Twitter, Facebook, Instagram and Patreon. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for the support. I really, really appreciate it. I hope you're all doing okay, and I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you all soon.